Hello friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to learn how can we add our new dashboard to the Asana app. So let's get started. Once you open the Asana app, you will get this page. Here you have to click on the reporting option that you can see on the left side of the screen, and you have to click on the add dashboard. So here you can choose any of the option, or we can say template, and this is how it will look like. You can choose the chart style, you can choose column if you want, you can choose line, it will look like this, or you can choose donut. So again you can just add color like this. Okay, now we comes on second option, report on include projects from. So you can choose here my workspace, teams, portfolio, project owner, specific projects. So you can choose any option here. Now you can also click on the group scroll down icon. You can project status, project owner, portfolio, custom field, project. So you can choose any option from here. You can also select the measure, project count, project custom field. You can also custom field here. There is no custom field in your organization, you can just search for that. And if you want to add filter, just click on this and you can add date from here. So start date you can add. You can also choose days, weeks or months. So now click on the create option. So you can see your new dashboard is ready for you. If you want to edit this, then you can again click on the edit chart and you can edit again from here. So this is how you can create a new dashboard on the Asana app. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.